Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a closer look at a serious home theater upgrade that's built to deliver a true big screen experience. This is the Sony BRAVIA Projector 8 VPL XW6100ES, and right away this feels like something designed for people who want top-tier visuals without compromise. Let's start with what matters most, the picture quality. This projector uses native 4K SXRD panels, which means every image is rendered with real 4K detail. No tricks, no pixel shifting, just clean, sharp visuals that look incredibly precise on a large screen. Whether it's movies, shows, or even high-resolution content, everything feels more refined and lifelike. Brightness is another area where this projector stands out. Thanks to its laser light source, it delivers a strong and consistent image that doesn't fade quickly over time. Even in rooms that aren't completely dark, the picture still holds its clarity and impact. It's bright enough to feel immersive without losing detail in highlights or shadows. Now, when it comes to HDR, this is where the viewing experience really levels up. You get richer contrast, deeper blacks, and highlights that feel more realistic. Scenes with a lot of dynamic lighting look especially impressive, adding depth that pulls you into what you're watching. One of the biggest benefits of going with a laser projector like this is long-term reliability. Traditional lamp projectors often need bulb replacements, but here you get a longer lifespan with more consistent performance. It's built for extended use, which makes it a great option for anyone setting up a dedicated home theater. Performance is smooth across the board. Motion handling is clean, so fast-moving scenes don't look blurry or choppy. This makes it a great option for sports and action content. On top of that, the upscaling does a solid job, meaning even non-4K content looks noticeably better on a large display. Setting it up is also pretty flexible. You get lens shift and zoom controls that help you position the image exactly where you want it. Whether it's mounted or placed on a surface, getting the alignment right doesn't feel complicated. Design-wise, it keeps things simple and premium. The black finish gives it a clean look that blends nicely into a home theater environment. It doesn't try too hard visually, but it still feels like a high-end piece of tech. Now, this is clearly not an entry-level product. It's made for users who want a premium experience and are willing to invest in quality. But once it's set up, the difference compared to standard TVs or lower-end projectors is huge. Gaming on this is also a different experience. Playing on a massive screen with this level of detail and color makes everything feel more immersive. It's not just about size, it's about how good everything looks while you're playing. To really unlock its full potential, pairing it with a proper sound system is the way to go. When you combine high-quality visuals with strong audio, it creates a full cinematic setup right at home. Overall, the Sony BRAVIA Projector 8 VPL XW6100ES is built for performance, longevity, and a premium viewing experience. It's sharp, bright, reliable, and designed to bring cinema-level visuals into your space. If you want to buy this, make sure to check out the link provided in the description for the latest pricing and availability.